Yo, what's up, you weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, so let's have a look. Are we going to have a green day tomorrow? Interesting question. Because it's been red, green, red, green. Are we going to have a green day tomorrow? And my camera is kind of weird right now, and I don't know why, so I apologize. But anyway, could we see a little bit of a recovery tomorrow from what we saw today? I'm going to guess probably yeah. Probably yeah. Let's have a look at what's going on. JASMY down 4.5% on the day, 31.2 on the week, 33 on the month, and 317% up on the year. Rank 76 right now, $1.06 billion market cap, 74 million in volume. Let's go have a look at XCN. What do we got? Down 9.8% on the day, 20.7 on the week, up 985 on the month, and 1,941 on the year. We're down 3 spots in rank to 81, $883 million market cap, 128 million in volume. Swift Coin down 26.1% on the day, 24.5 on the week, up 230% on the month, and up 878% on the year. Down 30 spots in rank to 219. $209 million market cap and 40 million in volume. Let's get into some chart action, guys. See what's going on. So JASMY still inside of its bullish structure, guys. Still in this bull flag falling wedge pattern, whatever you want to call it. Exactly the same structure we had here, guys. We're playing it out again on this breakout. I've showed you this before. We had a breakout last time from the bottom, and we broke out, retested, and went. They're looking at about a 264% breakout on this last one here. Now, we consolidated for, I believe it was 5 months, from June until November. So June, July, August, September, October, November, 6 months. Well, 5 months, sorry. Beginning of November, we broke out. So 5 months, we consolidated to a massive pump to the upside here. So how long have we been consolidating this time? Well, from December 5th until now, we got December, November, did I say December, November, December, January. So we've only actually been consolidating for 2 months, guys, which is funny because we had this massive break to the upside. Okay, which was how high did I say that was? From the bottom, the initial breakout, 264%. That was 2 months ago. 2 months ago, we had a 264% break to the upside. Right? It doesn't feel like it. Feels like much longer, but that's it, man. Like, it hasn't been that long since we had a big break to the upside. We've only been consolidating that now for 2 months, right? And I know it feels like forever. It feels like 6 for some reason, right? You know why it feels like 6? Because of the negativity and the toxic people in the community right now. Everyone complaining and whining that the market's not doing anything, and right? Those are people who've never been like through an actual, 4-year cycle before. You can tell, because had you been through a 4-year cycle, you would know that this is par for the course, and that the general sentiment in the market, when it's as bad as it is actually very bullish, right? The more negative people get, the more negative comments I get, the more negative people firing shots at me and stuff, the more bullish I get that we're about to break to the upside, right? And those same people get pretty quiet when we break to the upside. So we're still inside of our bullish structure here, guys. Going over to XCN. What are we doing on XCN? Just chopping sideways here, guys, right? Nothing special. Nothing special, just kind of chopping, consolidating. This is what you want to see, guys. This is what you want to see, right? You want to see consolidation. And I said that for a while, that I wanted to see some consolidation at this level because it builds support, right? When we finally break to the upside out of this, guys, it's going to be very hard to fall back down below this level, this range, right? Because we're building a solid level of support. That's what you want. Is it fun? Is it glamorous? No, of course not. It's boring. It's terrible. It's torture. But it'll be worth it later when this level supports you when you crash, And you're like, oh, thank goodness we didn't fall all the way back down to 1 cent 9 or something, right? 1 cent 09. So just keep that in mind, guys. XCN's also in a bullish structure. Now, Swift coin kind of have a bit of a double bottom forming here, honestly, which might end up being a good thing, right? If we bounce here for maybe another 2 days or so, right, one could look at this as kind of a double bottom pattern, right? It could be good, guys, right? You try to find the good in things. It looks like it could be setting up for something bullish, guys. Could be setting up for something bullish. Now, I know Swift is taking a hit, right? It's taken a hit, obviously, right? But look, we're right here where we built support. Look at this level right here. We built this level of support. And like I was just walking you through, guys, you want to build support levels because they catch you from falling further. Now, had we not consolidated right here, we would probably be back down here somewhere around a penny. Not fun, right? Not fun. That's why building support levels, while not fun, not sexy, are important, right? So let's see if this plays out as a double bottom, though, guys. Let's see if we kind of do this, right? And then maybe boom, back to the upside. We'll see what happens, but we'll keep on top of it. Could be a double bottom. Could be. Kind of a sharp double bottom, but nonetheless, so it's starting to shape up like it looks like one anyway. Let's go look at Bitcoin. Where did Bitcoin close today? Well, we closed right around that $96,500 level. Look at all of this ping-ponging, guys. I told you guys, we were probably going to go sideways until the middle of February, 10 to 14 more days. I think I said that yesterday, right? And here we are, just going sideways, right? So, and I would anticipate more of it. I would anticipate more of it, guys, till we get some volume back in the market. We're going to see this bing, 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 bing. People, what's probably going to happen here, guys? Same thing that we saw all through here, right? All through here, which was what? People putting in leverage trading. People putting in longs, break to the downside. People putting in shorts, break to the upside. People putting in longs, break to the downside. And we're just going to keep doing that. Liquidation, liquidation, liquidation. Until we build some strength in the market and some volume, right? Could take about 2 weeks, right? So that's kind of my timeline that I'm kind of looking at. All right, so here's a big question, guys. Check this out. Swift Power says Swift is bigger than we think. Why is Swift blockchain app not working in the US? Now, this has been a question of controversy, and my answer to this question is really quite simple. It's a decentralized platform. Gary Gensler and the SEC were attacking DeFi. They were attacking everything, let's be honest. They were attacking exchanges like crazy. So it's not that Swift is not allowed to operate in the United States. It's that they were not going to come to the United States and risk being attacked by the SEC, right? Because as long as they're functioning outside the US, the SEC could not do anything to them, right? Because they weren't servicing United States citizens. And the project probably doesn't have the money to hire a legal team to fight the SEC. So what would have happened had they come into the United States and gotten attacked from the SEC? The project probably would have shut down shop like Library and it would have went under, right? So in saying that, I think it was a wise course of action to stay out of the US for now. But now that we have a new administration in and stuff like that, guys, do not be shocked to see Swift moving its way into the United States, especially being funded and backed by Draper Labs and stuff like that. If you want more details on that, go check out my guy Rue Black's channel. He covers the Draper Labs and all that stuff in great detail. But yeah, that's what I would say, guys. That is my hypothesis as to why Swift has not been inside the United States, right? So yeah, let me know what you think about that. And then we go over to XCN, a little bit of Chain update, guys. Now, I've noticed something here. Chain has been doing a hell of a lot of marketing, trying to recruit projects to develop, build, and migrate over to their ecosystem. Now, it's very possible with the drive and the passion that this company, the determination, the sheer will that this company seems to have to entice companies to develop and migrate over to their ecosystem, you could see this ecosystem really start to blow up, guys, right? I'm talking DEXs, I'm talking swaps, I'm talking launch pads, I'm talking all kinds of stuff, man. So keep that in mind. And keep in mind also, one of the reasons I mean that they're probably going to have a lot of projects either building, developing, or migrating over is because let's not forget that their AI agent that is designed to help developers build their projects is also going to be live soon as well, right? So that's going to be really, really enticing for game developers, metaverse developers, all these other projects, other ecosystems, meme coins, whatever. You're going to come over and migrate to the ecosystem to build on top of their layer 2 and layer 3 that's going to be over on bridge to base, right? So, yeah, that's what I would say, guys. They're really, really reaching out to developers and stuff like that. I'm seeing marketing like crazy and incentives as well. Visiting our friend NeoExtrix for a little bit of JASMY coverage here, guys. While awaiting approval for authorities and the launch of the project, here are some details about the partnerships between JASMY and Aplex regarding the electronic payments. Together, they will advance initiatives related to stable coins as third-party prepaid payment instruments, say that 3 times fast, using JASMY's electronic payment platform, which supports local currencies and points. This platform is one of the community's solutions JASMY provides to foster collaboration between regions and businesses in Japan. The operational system will be a payment agency system that JASMY plans to build in the future. Aplex will handle billing and payment tasks for affiliated stores, using third-party prepaid payment methods. They will also offer prepaid issuance methods to store users, manage inquiries, and handle sales promotions activities. This business collaboration offers several advantages. By leveraging the payment system built by JASMY, new investments such as system investments required for starting a new business will not be necessary, reducing business risks. As a platform provider, it will enable a stock model service that generates stable revenue as a number of affiliated stores and users grows. There will also be synergetic effects on existing activities, such as supporting and development of payment applications and applying them to payment methods, endpoints, issuance of individual users of communication services provided by both entities. Guys, do not sleep on Aplex, a big, important partner of JASMY's. But as always, guys, I want to know what you guys think. And let me tell you, you missed a hell of a fantastic live stream tonight over on the Patreon, guys. We do group video live streams over there. It's something completely different than YouTube, where everyone can see and hear each other. It's a fantastic time. We have laughs. We learn a lot. But the good news is we also record them every night and then post the replay over on the Patreon. So if you missed anything, you can catch up. We've also dropped 3 gems recently over there, guys, that are going to run just as big as XCN, just as big as Swift. We get in early on these plays, guys. Don't start buying them later after they've pumped like crazy. Get in early on these gems, guys. We've got 3. I've finished accumulating 2 personally now. I know a lot of people are still working on. Some people are done accumulating, and we got more coming, guys. We keep the gems coming. We're taking our profits. We're rolling them into other things. We're making money while everyone else is depressed that the market is down, right? So don't be one of those people. Get over there. Find out what these gems are. Get involved, guys. Learn how to compound your gains. Roll profits around. Make that profit. That's what we do. I've also released a series of videos over on the Patreon educating you on key websites that you need to learn how to operate if you want to be successful in this space long term, guys. I don't want to give you a fish. I want to teach you how to fish yourself, right? So I have that series of educational videos I've started releasing over there as well. And so much more, guys. We have fantastic community leaders Jetpack, Crypto Otaku's over there as a moderator. We got so much going on, guys. Great leaders. We have over 1,600 people in our community, 7 or 8 different chats, and they're always popping off. So get over there, join the conversation, get in early on these gems, join our live streams every single night. And on top of all of that, you can also book one-on-one coaching AMAs with this guy, right? So check it out. The link is down below, guys. I will see you over on the Patreon tomorrow. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. See you guys tomorrow.